All the comfort of a loaded baked potato in a cool, creamy salad. Packed with crispy bacon, sharp cheddar, and fresh chives. The perfect, easy side. Ingredients. Serving. 1 large russet potato, baked and cooled. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise approximately equals 0.125 cup. 2 tablespoons sour cream or Greek yogurt approximately equals 0.125 cup. 1/4 cup cooked bacon, crumbled. 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1 tablespoon chopped green onions or chives approximately equals 0.0625 cup. 1/4 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 3/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Salt and black pepper to taste. Preparation steps. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Scrub the potatoes, pat them dry, and pierce them a few times with a fork. Rub them with a little olive oil and a sprinkle of salt. Place them on a baking sheet and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until they are tender all the way through. Once baked, let them cool for at least 30 minutes until they are cool enough to handle. Pro tip: for extra crispy skin, which adds great texture to the salad. You can bake the potatoes directly on the oven rack. While the potatoes are baking or cooling, prepare your toppings. Cook the bacon until crispy, then crumble it into small pieces. Finally chop the green onions or chives. Shred the cheddar cheese if it's not already shredded. Pro tip: you can cook bacon easily in the oven or an air fryer for less mess and even crispiness. Set aside a small amount of each topping for garnishing at the end. In a small bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise, sour cream or Greek yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and Dijon mustard. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Mix until the dressing is smooth and well combined. Pro tip: for an extra tangy flavor, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Always taste the dressing before adding it to the potatoes to adjust the seasoning perfectly. Once the baked potatoes have cooled, use a knife to cut them into bite-sized cubes about 1 inch in size. You can choose to leave the skin on for extra flavor and nutrients, or peel it off for a smoother texture. Place the potato cubes in a large mixing bowl. Pro tip: leaving the skin on is key to getting that authentic baked potato taste in every bite. Pour the creamy dressing over the potato cubes. Add most of the crumbled bacon, shredded cheese, and chopped green onions to the bowl, reserving some for garnish. Gently fold everything together with a spatula until the potatoes are evenly coated. Pro tip: be gentle when mixing to avoid mashing the potatoes. You want to keep the cubes intact for the best texture. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Before serving, transfer it to a serving dish and garnish with the remaining bacon, cheese, and green onions. Pro tip: this salad tastes even better the next day. If it seems a little dry after chilling, you can stir in a spoonful of sour cream or mayonnaise to freshen it up.